Hey everyone, it's Justin Benz, your favorite Lakewood Ranch new construction specialist. I'm out here at Star Farms.
For those of you that are not familiar, Star Farms is a massive community in northeastern Lakewood Ranch featuring multiple builders. Today we're going to focus on DR Horton and one of their model homes. They have anywhere from $300,000 townhomes upwards of $800,000 5-bedroom, 4.5 bath homes with over 4,000 square feet and everything else in between. There's also 4 different amenity centers within Star Farms, so depending on which home series you buy into, you will have access to those, all included in your HOA of roughly $200 to $300.
So here at Star Farms, they have 5 models that you can visit. Here in the foreground, you see the sales center, which is one of their models, the Camden. We're going to show that today. And they have 4 others that are fully furnished and ready to check out. So make your appointment with me. Let's go check some of these out. Grab a deal here in Lakewood Ranch. But again, today we're going to focus on the Camden, which is the one coming into your screen right now. This is going to be a 4-bed, 3.5 bath, almost 2,800 square feet, and a base price just under $621,000.